Discover one of the most beautiful and revitalizing rail journeys in the world. Explore the lush hills and ride amidst the clouds of the island's tea country. Climb 6,000 feet, winding in and out of tea plantations, interrupted by gushing, breathtaking waterfalls and deep gorges, steep mountains, through 43 tunnels and incredible fjords on this unforgettable train vacation to Sri Lanka. Save and get up to 20% off your next trip. Subscribe now and get a discount coupon code to use online when booking any tour. When checking out, enter the coupon code in the promo code field to receive your discounted price. For more information, visit www.lankatourexperience.com. Experience the most magical train ride